Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox or unpack an item that I bought last December of 2025 at the Signet store in Makati City here in Manila, Philippines. I have here with me a, uh, a bag from the Signet store, which is my favorite store here in the Philippines with regards to heritage wear. And it is only this time, it's now April, that I'm going to unbox this item because I forgot already about this item. And we'll bring this out from the bag and find out what is inside. So we remove the Japanese paper and voila. This is Mr. Freedom runs blouse jacket, and I think this is 14 or 15 ounces in weight. 15 ounces in weight per yard, and the size is 38, which is equivalent to maybe medium. Yeah, medium, 38. Mr. Freedom is a brand from Los Angeles, California. Whenever I go to the United States, I always go to this store. And luckily, when I was looking for this kind of jacket, they are sold out. So there's no way for me to buy this kind of jacket, which I've been wanting to buy since I started collecting heritage wear, maybe 5 years ago. So this had been a bucket list for the past 5 years. So finally, I was able to score it at the Signet store here in the Philippines. And I'm glad that I was able to get it. So basically, this is medium, and according to the description, it will shrink a little, and it is okay because my jackets are all small and small or medium. In Ironheart, I have some jackets which are medium, and I have also jackets which are small, depending on the cut. Okay, so on type 3, I think I have small and medium on Ironheart. So you have two pockets on the front, so you can see this stitch, which is M, Mr. Freedom, maybe. And the other side, it is a pocket with a flap and a button. The left side. And the right side, this is open pocket with, of course, the stitch, which is letter M. And you have these splits on the front of the jacket. And you have also these nice buttons, which will patina the longer you use this jacket. And you have a round end collar. And at the back, you have a belt with a buckle. So the way I see it, maybe the shoulder is 19 inches and the pit to pit is 21 to 22 inches. And the opening is, the way I see it, is 19 to 20 inches. By the way, this will shrink once it is soaked, and we will see the progress of this jacket as soon as I wear it and then have it soaked for the first time in tap water. I will not soak it in hot water. I'll just soak it in ordinary tap water. So we will find out if this particular jacket will shrink. So we're going to open and we'll see where are the self edge. So you can see this located at the placket of the jacket, which is the opening. And then nice stitches. The other side you have also the self edge. And I think that's it. We will see if you can see nothing. No self edge on the sleeves or the hem. Nothing. But what I like about the design of this jacket is very exclusive to Mr. Freedom. So you have this pocket with flap and then another pocket which is open, and you have all these rivets that will strengthen the pockets, and this is good for fading. However, I will not advance information. I will not be using this in my future red line rally denim fade competition. It will be used as a casual wear. I will not be particular in the fading. I'll just use it regularly and we will see how it will turn out after maybe few months or years as I use this jacket. By the way, I forgot to mention the price of this Mr. Freedom Rounds Blouse jacket. If you buy it in Los Angeles, California, in their store at Mr. Freedom, if you're lucky, if they have their stock on this kind of jacket, if you're very lucky, the price of this is $450 plus tax. Here in the Philippines, I bought it for less than 30,000. To be exact, it's 28,000 plus. So this is a very expensive Mr. Freedom jacket, very exclusive, and of course, not so many jackets or items of this kind have been produced by Mr. Freedom. So that's the cloth tab of the jacket, and you will find out how it fits to my body. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.